So today is November 1, 2023.
All Saints Day, and tomorrow is the exactly day of All Souls Day, which is all Catholic in the whole wide world as celebrating this All Saints Day and All Souls Day. This is the simple way how we are celebrating the All Souls Day.
Hi guys! So ayan everyone, nagluluto si Mudra ng biko. Pure malagkit ito ma? So ganito si mama magluto ng biko. Sobrang sticky. Saan yung itip? Sarap niyan. Sira ang diet ko na naman. Huwag muna ako mag-diet ngayon. Ang sarap nito guys. Pag si mama nagluto ng Bicol talaga. Hindi siya yung katulad ng ibang nagluto na malapsa, malambot. Sa dito, masarap siya. Ilang nyug to? Halo-haluin mo lang siya guys hanggang mag-absorb. Oh, tikman mo. Asan yung itip? Tingin. So ito guys yung itip, matinatawag. Masarap yan isaw-saw doon sa sauce. Patingin ako ng sauce mo. Oh my god. Dito, akin na dito. Ayan siya oh. Ayan, dito isaw-saw yun. Yum, yum.
Lalagay ko lang para
Nalagay na. So ayan guys, luto na ang biko. Ito na yung ilalagay bukas sa altar. Ayan na siya. Tapos ito yung sunog.
Hi guys! Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. So today is November 1, 2023. So today is the day of All Saints Day, and tomorrow is the exactly day of All Souls Day, which is all Catholic in the whole wide world as celebrating this All Saints Day and All Souls Day. So today we prepare a very simple something sign of remembering to those loved ones that who pass away, and we are doing this every once a year during this November 1. And yeah, so this is for all our loved ones, family and related, someone that become part of our life and journey. So this is for my father, this is for my uncle, auntie, tita, relatives, special someone, and of course to my latest, my love, Itlon. So yeah, just very simple. We just having some candles because this is the way we are celebrating. Have little food and candle, and later afternoon we are doing offering a prayer, like praying for their soul and calling their names. So only Catholic who believe and celebrating this. So yeah.
So today is November 1, 2023, and this is how we celebrate as a Catholic, our kind of remembering to all the loved ones we had in heaven. So this is the incense, and my mom put some incense to make it smell. So yeah, this is only our very simple something. So calling to our beloved family, my father, Ramir, Solpicia, Filomeno, Hansilma, Sabina, Lolang Sabel, may Alme, Lolong Imin, Lolo Domingo, Lola Consolacion, yung asawa ni Auntie Maria, ang Uncle Dano, and yeah, and of course Itlon. Andito na yung, this is your beer, so this is your favorite. You have the smoke, and this is your favorite chicken, and yeah, cheers. What's your favorite? So this is Itlon favorite, and my grandma, my lolo and Itlon, they like smokes. And lagyan naman naman. And this is the sticky rice and the pancit, and of course this is the egg. So we keep this for like few minutes while it's smoking, something like that. And then later we are offering a prayer for their souls. So this is how Catholics celebrate it. But some Catholic, they celebrate it very fancy, but we are celebrating very simple only. So yeah. And just to do like that. Just to do like that. We love you all. We miss you all. Papa. Cheers. Nanay. So yeah. And this is the beer.
So yeah, this is the simple way how we are celebrating the All Souls Day. So Papa, Nanay, Lolo, and to all the family, and especially Itlon, I miss you so much. I got your smoke, I got your beer. So yeah. Cheers. I miss you everyone, and sorry this is only a little something we all prepare for all of you. And yeah. So wherever you are, Itlon, right now, I want you to feel that you are in my heart and always remember you. So let's party! Let's party! Yeah, it just happen every once a year. We put the smoke. So it is like we believe like that. So once is like smoking, and then yeah, something like that. So happy All Saints Day everyone, and happy All Souls Day. So hindi kami makapunta sa Puntod kasi nga malayo, and ganito yung way na pag-celebrate namin. So ganito lang, and simple lang, ito lang yung nakayanan namin. And yeah, this is Itlon favorite. And of course, I light the smoke. That's for Itlon, for Papa, for Lolo. Yeah. So that's it everyone. Thanks for joining with me, and that's it. Bye guys. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You oughta know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You oughta know how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing gonna change my love for